This is code.org, and we're going to investigate and modify. Run the program. Okay. Let's see. I'm hitting the run button. Go program. Oh. Look, the painter's moving. Ooh. Ooh, we're painting. Ooh. Fancy. Oh, that's it? Okay. All right. Run the program. Done. Observe what it does. Done. Then make the following changes to your program. Run the program after each change. Observe the results. Where does the painter object start? Well, let me hit run. I'm going to hit stop. Oh, wait. Stop. Run. Top left, right? So the top left corner. Where does the paint? What direction? Well, top left and facing this way, which is also known as never eat. It's facing east or to the right. Okay, so cool. Now, what's 2 say? Where does the painter object stop? Facing what direction? Well, if the top square is 1, 1, right? Well, we take one step over. So it stops in the second column, dot, 1, 2, 3, 3 down. So 3 down or third row, second column. That's where we stop, and we're facing south, all right? Add the following code where indicated in the program, then run the program and see what happens. What do you think this happened? Why do you think this happened? That would make sense. What happens? All right, so we're indicated. Let's take a look. Oh, we got comments. All right. And guys, just keep in mind a comment is only read by humans. Computers just skip over it. They don't care. Mr. Kaiser, what's a comment? These 2 slashes. Slash means, hey, computer, ignore this. It's just for us humans. Okay. That being said, I'm going to click line 24 right below it and add the following code where indicated. I'll go ahead and type this. My painter. Make sure to capitalize the P in painter. Move, parentheses, semicolon, and enter. Now you want to type this in exactly as they have it. Code's picky. So lowercase m in my painter dot paint. Okay, and then parentheses, I'm going to write the word white in quotes and a semicolon. All right, let me hit run. Okay, let's see. There's no... What? Well, we moved, but it's yelling at us, it looks like down here. Starting the painter, there's no more paint in the painter's bucket. Lame. Paint, I tell you. Paint. Let's hit run again. Why could that be? I noticed this must be a paint bucket. Wait a minute. Wait. Look at the paint bucket. Boom. There's a 2 next to that paint bucket. Well, we already paint. Let's see. Let me just count. Once and twice. I bet we're out of paint. There's no more paint in the painter's bucket. I bet we're out of paint. Let's see what we can do. Add the following code where indicated in the program, then run the program. What happens? Why do you think? Okay, 4. My painter, painter, second painter equals new painter. And below this comment. So 4, so I'll go to line 29 for me it is. It might be a little different than you. For me it's 29 right below / to do. All right, I'm going to add painter, second painter. And again, we're doing the camel case, right? So second painter, P is capitalized, the second word of second painter. And then equals new painter, colon. If you're really scared or worried about missing some of this capitalization, because it must be exact, you could always highlight, copy, and paste. It is better to learn it, though, by typing. But regardless, bam, we got it. And let's see why this breaks. Bum, brum, brum. What's it say? My painter, second painter. We couldn't compile your program. Look for bugs. Error. Parenthesis or square bracket was expected. Well, we ain't got any of those. And it even tells us the line, right? myneighbor.java 29 is the line. Yeah, so we don't have any of that. Let's see what 5 says. Change the line you added to, oh, well, they didn't tell us to. So for me, that's line 29. I'm going to add that parenthesis after new painter, and let's hit run. Well, no, ooh, and we have a second painter. I'm going to speed that up. No error, well, except we were out of paint. Okay. Why do I think this happened? Well, the computer knew what to do at this point, right? The parenthesis is necessary to create this object. And we'll see this more and more. But Again, the formatting and syntax of code is super important, and we just have to be really exact with it. So every tiny character matters. And we could even reference this line here. We could look at the painter we made at the top. There's also a parenthesis. That's the one they provided us. Regardless, bam, bam, we got it. Onward.